You may have heard the term biohacking thrown around, but what exactly does it mean? In simple terms, biohacking refers to making small, incremental changes to your diet, exercise, or environment to improve your health and performance. It combines elements of lifestyle optimization with technology, allowing you to hack your biology and take control of your health. The good news is that biohacking doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Anyone can get started with practical hacks that yield impressive results. In this video, we will walk you through some of the most effective biohacking tips that are easy to implement, even for beginners. From intermittent fasting to blue light blocking glasses, these hacks are accessible and can significantly enhance your physical and mental well-being. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Section 1: What is biohacking? Before diving into biohacking tips, let's define what biohacking really is and break it down for you. Biohacking is the process of experimenting with various techniques or lifestyle modifications to improve your physical or mental state. The idea behind biohacking is that you can hack your biology to optimize performance, health, and longevity. People use biohacking in a variety of ways, from improving energy levels to reducing the effects of aging, or even achieving better mental clarity. Examples of biohacking: tech-based biohacking. This involves using gadgets, wearables, or apps to track and improve your health. Examples include using fitness trackers like Fitbit or Apple Watch to monitor your steps, heart rate, and sleep patterns, or using brainwave entrainment apps like Muse to enhance meditation. You can also use blue light blocking glasses to reduce screen time-related eye strain and improve sleep quality. Lifestyle changes. Some biohacking practices involve lifestyle modifications to optimize physical health, mental clarity, or emotional well-being. This can include experimenting with intermittent fasting to boost energy and focus, incorporating cold exposure to improve circulation and metabolism, or using mindfulness techniques to reduce stress. Nutritional biohacking. This includes using food or supplements to improve health. Examples include consuming nootropic supplements to enhance cognitive function, taking probiotics to improve gut health, or using adaptogens to manage stress levels. The goal of biohacking is to experiment and discover what works best for your body. It's about optimizing your performance and achieving greater health with minimal intervention. With so many accessible tools and techniques, biohacking can be as simple as making small changes to your daily routine or experimenting with supplements. Section 2: Beginner-friendly hacks. Now that we understand the basics of biohacking, let's explore some practical and beginner-friendly biohacks that anyone can incorporate into their daily life. Intermittent fasting for energy and focus. Intermittent fasting, IF, is one of the most popular and effective biohacks to boost energy, enhance focus, and improve overall health. IF involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, allowing your body to experience several health benefits. How it works: during fasting periods, your body enters a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for energy rather than relying on glucose from food. This can improve mental clarity, boost metabolism, and enhance fat loss. Additionally, fasting helps regulate insulin sensitivity, which is beneficial for long-term health and preventing chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes. Beginner tip: start with a simple 12-hour fast, where you eat within a 12-hour window and fast for the other 12 hours. Eating between 7:00 a.m. and 7:00 p.m. As you become more comfortable, you can gradually increase the fasting period to 14 or 16 hours. Be sure to drink plenty of water and eat nutrient-dense meals during your eating window to fuel your body properly. Benefits: increased energy and mental clarity, enhanced fat loss, improved insulin sensitivity, reduced inflammation, blue light blocking glasses for better sleep. In the digital age, many of us spend hours staring at screens, whether it's for work, entertainment, or social media. The blue light emitted by screens can interfere with your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, making it harder to fall asleep at night and affecting the quality of your sleep. How it works: blue light blocking glasses filter out the blue light from screens, helping to reduce eye strain and mitigate the disruption of your circadian rhythm. By wearing blue light blocking glasses a few hours before bed, you can improve your sleep quality and wake up feeling more rested. Beginner tip: invest in a pair of blue light blocking glasses and start wearing them in the evening when using digital devices. You can also use apps like Lux or Night Shift, which automatically reduce blue light exposure on your devices in the evening. Benefits: improved sleep quality, reduced eye strain, enhanced circadian rhythm regulation, cold exposure or hot-cold shower contrast. Cold exposure is a biohacking technique that has gained popularity for its potential benefits, including increased energy, improved circulation, and enhanced immune function. One of the easiest ways to incorporate cold exposure into your routine is by using hot-cold contrast showers. How it works: a hot-cold contrast shower involves alternating between hot and cold water, typically starting with hot water, then switching to cold water for a short period and repeating this cycle. The cold water constricts blood vessels, which improves circulation, while the hot water dilates blood vessels, promoting relaxation and muscle recovery. Beginner tip: start with a regular shower and gradually reduce the water temperature during the last 30 seconds. As you get used to the cold, increase the duration of the cold exposure and switch back and forth between hot and cold water for several cycles. Benefits: enhanced circulation, improved recovery after exercise, increased metabolism, boosted mood and energy levels, tracking habits with apps or journal. To get the most out of biohacking, it's essential to track your habits and results. By monitoring your sleep, food intake, exercise, and other factors, you can see patterns and make adjustments to improve your health. There are many apps available to help you track your habits, and even simple journaling can be effective. How it works: using habit tracking apps or a journal allows you to document key health metrics like sleep quality, exercise routines, food intake, and even mood. This information can help you identify areas where you might need improvement and experiment with different biohacking techniques to see what works best. Beginner tip: start by tracking 1 or 2 habits, such as your sleep or water intake, and note how you feel throughout the day. Apps like Habitica, MyFitnessPal, or Sleep Cycle can help you stay on track and make adjustments over time. Benefits: provides valuable insights into your health, helps you track progress and identify patterns, encourages consistency in your biohacking efforts. Section 3: Safety and Moderation. While biohacking can be a powerful tool for improving your health, it's essential to approach it with caution. Rapid or drastic changes can put unnecessary strain on your body, so it's important to make gradual adjustments and track your results. Safety tips: start slow. Introduce biohacking techniques one at a time and allow your body to adjust. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how you feel and adjust or stop if you experience negative side effects. Avoid extremes. Don't push your body too hard with extreme fasting, intense cold exposure, or excessive supplementation. Consult a healthcare professional. If you have any underlying health conditions or are on medication, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any biohacking practices. Benefits of moderation: helps prevent burnout or injury, ensures your body adapts gradually, increases the likelihood of long-term success. Conclusion: biohacking is a personal journey that involves experimenting with different lifestyle changes, technologies, and supplements to optimize your health. Starting with simple, beginner-friendly hacks like intermittent fasting, using blue light blocking glasses, or incorporating cold exposure can offer impressive benefits with minimal effort. Now, it's your turn. Try one of these biohacks, track your progress, and pay attention to how your body responds. Share your experiences with friends or in a biohacking community, and feel free to experiment with other techniques as you become more familiar with what works best for you. Thanks for watching. Start implementing these biohacks and see how they work for you. Remember, small changes can lead to big improvements. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more health boosting tips.